After about 18 hours on the road, we are finally entering the great state of Florida, specifically the Tampa-St. Pete's area. Of course, in Florida, there are a lot of choices in terms of beaches. There's the Gulf Coast and the Atlantic Coast, but this year I chose the Gulf Coast. And I have to say, guys, it is a beautiful day today, sunny and a high of 27. A perfect day to go to the beach. What a contrast to the minus 10 we left in Ontario. And there are so many beaches to choose from down here. There's St. Pete's Beach, Paso de Grill Beach, Treasure Island. But we had to be fair to Coco Dog, so we chose Fort de Soto Dog Beach. And I have to point out, as you probably notice as you go there, there are palm trees everywhere. And coming from the Great White North, palm trees are a big deal. It does tell me I am indeed in Florida. And I just love it down here. There's so many condos, apartments, great things to do, like you can rent a bike, kayak, fish, snorkel. Oh my, the list is endless. Next, we are coming up to a toll booth, which is 75 cents. Not bad to access the whole island. 75. Dandy, thank you. And they claim along here this is a really good spot for fishing, and if I were here I'd be doing this every day, but just look at this scenery, guys. So if you swing a left here, you're going to the South Beach, but we're going to the Dog Beach, so we're going to swing a right here. Now into the parking lot of the Dog Beach, and you can see there are a lot of parking spots. This is a really popular beach. So the fee here is $5, and that's from sunrise to sunset, which isn't too bad. And you can pay at the meter here, you can use their Flowbird app, or you can get a sun pass just about anywhere in Florida. Now, as a side note, at this beach you gotta bring your own umbrella and beach towel and stuff, but they do have a restroom where you can wash the sand off and, of course, get changed and stuff. And here we are on the beach. The sand is pretty good here. The water's a little cool. It's about 65 this time of year. It's early in the morning, so it's not too crowded, but don't be surprised if a dog runs up and greets you. And of course, who's excited about being here? The one and only Coco. And you can sit back, relax, watch the dogs play, and the ships roll in too. And now it is time, my friends, for Coco's first swim. It was hilarious. His little paws were paddling before he even hit the water. And when he gets to the end, who does he meet? A new friend. I just happened to have my GoPro on me, so I decided to get some footage of the Florida ocean floor. And as the camera comes up, behold, Coco's little paws paddling, if you look closely. And just look at this. He looks like a wet otter, but happy. Here comes another dog, and there are lots of dogs on this beach, and they are really good. Okay, after a day at the beach, relaxation, a bit of fun, and some sunburn, we are heading out to grab some grub. There is a lot of road work down here. Now I understand why the roads are in such good shape in Florida. Heading back, I just have to say once again, the view is absolutely spectacular, surrounded by water, just beautiful sights. And the first stop for grub is good old Jollibee's, and there are 3 Jollibee's in Florida, and this one is in the St. Pete's area in Pinellas Park. And if you've never eaten at Jollibee's, they make some pretty good food. I find them better than McDonald's. Certainly well worth a try, guys. So on their menu you can get spaghetti, fried chicken, burgers, fries, and they also have something called Halo Halo, which is great for hot weather. After that, off to the Super Buffet, and I googled this, it has some really good reviews. $25, all you can eat. There's Japanese, Chinese, Italian, just about anything. You name it, they've got it. And of course, as you know, the places to eat in Florida are endless. Of course, no vacation is complete without souvenirs, so we headed downtown where the magic happens. All excited, we set the navigation. And where did we end up? At Tropicana Stadium, where there was absolutely nothing going on, so back to the drawing board. So we parked downtown and wandered around where you can find all kinds of souvenir stores. Including a good old Dollarama, where there really wasn't much. Nevertheless, we did manage to wander around and get some pretty good souvenirs. So guys, these were just some of the many highlights of our trip to Florida.